Hey, car garage owners and mobile tire fitters. So whether you own a car garage or whether you are a mobile tire fitter or you own a tire garage, this video applies for you. What if I could tell you that you could generate a constant stream of leads and bookings, ultimately customers flowing into your diary every single day, every single week, without depending on anyone? Now here's the biggest problem. A lot of car garage owners rely on two things. A, word of mouth, which is great, but it's not sustainable. You can't rely on word of mouth to grow your business. The other one is they buy leads from lead generation companies, which is good too. However, the problem is that when these lead generation companies change their prices, their business models, it has a direct impact on your garage. The good news is that there's a proven way to take control of your customer flow so that you can dominate your local area with leads flowing in every single day. And it starts off with Google. My name is AJ Duna, and I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways in which you can draw a constant stream of inquiries into your business, bookings into your business. So whether it's for clutch repairs, exhaust repairs, brake changes, gearbox, clutch repairs, or whatever it is, or tire replacement, mobile tire fitters, it all applies to yourselves. And what you want is those 3 powerful strategies which you own and no one can take away from you using Google. Strategy number 1 is using Google Maps. Now Google Maps, when you go to a Google page, then if you type in like car garage near me, then what you see, I've got a small diagram here. In the middle section, you'll see a map section whereby you've got 3 listings, and it really stands out because it's got a map on it, it's quite graphical, and it's only got 3 listings in it, listing 1, 2, and 3. You want to be in here, and the reason you want to be in here is because that's a section on the Google page which targets local customers. So if you're looking for customers who are maybe within 4-mile radius of you or 3-mile radius of you, that's the area that you want to be in, because this is what Google pushes a lot. If you go onto your phone, if you type in car garages near me or mobile tire fitters or tire fitting garages near me, that's the section that Google will display prominently. So that's the first strategy. The second strategy is using something called search engine optimization, which is SEO. And with search engine optimization, again, when people search for example, car garages near me or clutch specialist near me, then you would appear below the Google Map section, which is over here. It takes time to get there, but once you're in there, you start getting all the inquiries and all the leads coming in. Now, the key benefit of being in this section here is that it's a long-term strategy and it's sustainable traffic from search engines. So it's really important that you consider being in this section for your car garage. The third strategy I'm going to discuss with you today is using Google Ads. So Google Ads, you appear right at the top of the page when Google decides to display the Google Ads. So that what you can do is that you can say to Google that, hey, if someone types in gearbox change near me or mobile tire fitting near me, then I want to be on this section here. The great thing about this is that you can be there within 24 hours. You can get your business on the Google page within 24 hours. Now, we normally recommend we take a bit more time because we like to get campaigns right. But it's a short-term strategy, and it will give you immediate prominence, and this is the top of the page, so it gets a lot of clicks. Why do you need to start now? Why do you need to start promoting your car garage now? Maybe you already are doing it, but maybe you're just not getting the results that you deserve, and you're seeing your competitors getting all the leads, and you're saying, what are they doing different that we are not? And that's one of the key reasons that you need to start on a strategy and understand what these marketing strategies are, so you can get the leads that you deserve. Now, you might be thinking, hey, it's complicated or it's expensive, but you might think it's complicated or expensive, but that's exactly why I'm here today. I've helped hundreds of car garages just like yours and mobile tire fitters, tire garages just like yours to achieve incredible results in a very straightforward, affordable way. What I'd like you to do, if you're ready to take control of customers flowing into your car garage and you're getting the inquiries instead of relying on unreliable referrals and leads and seeing your competitors win, what I'd like you to do is I would like to implement these strategies for you, because there'll be a button below this video. All you need to do is simply click on the button and arrange a call with myself or a member of my team, whereby we can look at your business, we can look at your website, we can tell you what's right and wrong with your website, we can explain these strategies to you, we can give you numbers that how likely are they to work for you, and how many leads that you can potentially achieve. So it's really important that you do this, because you want to be on the Google page as quickly as possible. So do click on that link in order to find out how you can get more leads flowing into your business, because the future of your garage really is in your hands. Right? So you need to take the first step today and book a free strategy session, and let's make Google work for yourself and bring you the customers straight to your garage door. So hit that button below. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.